everybody, and today we'll learn how to differentiate odd and even numbers. Okay, odd and even numbers. All right, so that's what we're differentiating. Yeah, that's basically it. All right, so some of you might already know this and some might not. All right, so odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, okay? Remember the word end, okay? Remember end, end, end. Do not forget end. Okay, I'm just making sure that you don't forget it. So remember, if a number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then you know that that's an odd number. For example, if they said to circle the odd number, right? Circle the odd number. This is what you will have to do. Let's say that you have 335 and 306. Look at this. Even though this number here begins with 2 3s, which is 3, 3, it does not mean that it could be odd, okay? But once you see that this end number, this last digit here, is an odd number, because remember, it ends with a 5, and 5 is an odd number, okay? But you see this one here, on the other hand, even though it has an even number and an odd number, you need to always look at the last digit to see if it is even or odd. And as you can see, this here is a 6, not a 5. Okay? So you need to look out. This here is a 5, but this here is a 6. So always watch out. Alright, now we're going to look at even numbers. Alright, I said that odd numbers, it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. But you see, even numbers, on the other hand, does not end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. But instead ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? Or 8. Perfect. Alright, so whenever a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, that technically means that it's an even number. For example, they said circle the even number. Circle the even number, okay? What you are going to do is you are going to want to circle the even number what ends with either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Remember, 0 is part of the even gang, okay? Good. Let's say that you have 3, 4, 6, and 3, 8, 7. What you're going to want to do, take these two numbers out and look at the last digit, okay? As you can see, 7 is an odd number, while 6 is an even number. All right? So 3, 4, 6 is the one you'll have to circle. All right, let's say there are two gangs, right? Sorry about that. Let's say there are two gangs right here. Here's the even gang, and here is the odd gang. Here are the two gangs, okay? So let us say that the odd gang has 301, 633, 245, 897, 897, and 999. And the even gang has 200, 82, 94, 76, and 88. Okay, so these are the two gangs. What you're going to want to look at is you're going to want to look at the last digit. So you're going to want to take out all of these digits. Take out these digits here. And you're going to want to look and focus on all of the last digits, okay? To see if they're in the right gang. You're going to want to make sure that you have them in the right gang, okay? So, all of these are in the right gang because, as I said, whenever a number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, that technically makes them an odd number. And whenever it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, it technically makes it an even number. Alright, let's make another gang. Let's make another gang right here. This is the odd column, and this is the even column. These are the two columns. What I want to show right now is I want to show this. Alright, so let's say that you have 303, 81, 23, 42, 77, and 88. So this activity makes us match, okay? We say if one of these numbers are in the wrong column, we switch it over to the right column. You see, these three ends with 3. These two ends with 3. And this here ends with 7, as you can see. And I said that 3 and 7 are part of the odd gang. And you see here, 1 is not part of the even gang. Instead, it's part of the odd gang. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this 81 and you're going to want to bring an arrow right here to signify that it's to odd. And you see 42, it ends with a 2. And 2 is an even number, so it's in the even gang. And 8 is also in the even gang. Alright, so 8 and 2 is in the even gang, but 1 is in the odd gang. So we need to switch over 81 to the odd column. Now, we only need to switch 81 to the odd column, but we didn't need to switch anything to the even column. Alright, so that's all for today. I'm not sure what tomorrow's topic is going to be about, but I will see what I can do, and